Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are not familiar with me, my name is JustBrittanyH, and today, as you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be giving you guys my signature makeup look, my go-to look, my favorite look of all. So if you guys would like to see how I create this look right here, stay tuned. We ain't got no time to waste at all. Also, please do not mind my lashes. Do not mind my lashes. They need to be done. So they look crazy. So please do not mind my lashes. Thank you very much. Now I'm gonna put on my Milk of Magnesia. I put it in this bottle for like a travel size anytime I'm traveling. It will dry white on your face. And this is great for girls with oily skin like myself. My skin can get like a frying pan, so. Okay, for foundation, I'm gonna mix two different foundations. I'm gonna be using my Giorgio Armani foundation. This is number 14. This is a tad bit darker than my skin tone, but it still works for me even if I use it by itself. And I'm gonna mix it with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is in Chai. We're gonna do a little mixing, a little bit of this into this one. So we're gonna apply that with a beauty blender. I have not used a beauty blender in a while, so I'm actually happy that I'm back to using the beauty blender. I think I forgot what type of finish it gives. Once foundation is on, we're gonna go ahead and contour, and I actually don't have like a really dark concealer as far as liquid concealer for contouring, so what we're gonna use is this foundation. This is my CoverGirl Matte Ambition All Day foundation, and this is in the color Deep Cool 3. So we're gonna use this until I get a darker concealer, liquid concealer. I like to go a little above my natural cheek contour. I feel like that's how I get the best contour. I'm not gonna blend it in yet. I'm just literally just applying it. For concealer, I'm going to use my Too Faced concealer, the Born This Way concealer in Chestnut. For setting powder, I'm going to be mixing my Sacha Buttercup powder and my Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder. I'm going to mix them together. Now I'm going to add some blush. And for blush, I'm gonna go into my James Charles palette. And I'm gonna pick up this burgundy color right here. I'm gonna smile. Eyebrow pencil from the Beauty Supply Store is the NK Makeup Auto Eyeliner. Yeah, in dark brown. I'm gonna use this one for the spoolie to brush my brows. ahead and apply my lashes now. Before I do that, I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna set my face with my Makeup Forever setting spray. And this is the I Envy Luxury Lashes. And this is the number 1. I love these lashes. They're amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the glue. I do that by brushing it onto my lash line. It's literally the quickest way to apply your lashes. Quickest and easiest way to apply your lashes. Apply the glue to your lash line first. And you can apply them to your lashes as well. I don't find that necessary just because doing it like this, it's secured. I don't ever feel like I need to add glue to my lashes as well. Some people do. I love these lashes. They're so pretty. It's literally perfect for me. Now I feel like I've come alive because my lashes look like shit just now, so I feel like I've come alive. Now let's do the lips. We're gonna line our lips, and I love this liner. Oh my gosh, guys, I have been in love with this liner for the past week. This is everything, and I'm literally about to go buy a bunch. Once I make it to the beauty supply store where I got it from, I'm gonna buy like a good 10. I've never found liner that just glides on for my lips. Even though this is a eyeliner, but it dries, which is what I love. It doesn't stay like it doesn't stay wet, so it doesn't brush off easily. And the way that it glides on, you would think that it brushes off easily, but it don't. And I love that. Let me show you guys how perfect this thing glides on. You see that? Listen, just one swipe and it's on. So easy, effortlessly. Perfect for clients if you have clients. And this is the Absolute New York Waterproof Eyeliner. You get this at a beauty supply store. And like I said, it dries in. I'm just gonna kind of fluff it out so that it will mix into the lip product that I put on. Now for the lip color, I'm actually gonna use my current favorite as well. This is literally my favorite lip combo right now. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Canes. Love this. It's so cute. And I only need a little bit. I get so excited for this. And I love the way it mixes in with the liner. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara. That's the ugly faces. I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette. They have like this foiled gold right here. And I love to play with this. I'm gonna apply some of that on the inner corner of my eyes. You guys know I love my inner corners. Like, I love an inner corner glow. I feel like it adds to the face. Adds to the whole lip, you see? That's cute. I am in love with this look. This is like a really nice, simple, everyday type look. This is my everyday look. This is literally my everyday look, my go-to look when it comes to going out anywhere, any occasion. This look is it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm sorry, I'm a little OCD when it comes to shine, so don't mind me. I'm just making sure nowhere shines. All right guys, so I'm gonna head out. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this look, what you guys like about this makeup routine. Let me know your honest opinions. Also, be sure to stay tuned for some more clips of this look. So I will see you guys in my next video.